In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize marketing campaigns in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable structure to plan, run, and review your ad efforts without digging through scattered notes or spreadsheets. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Once you're in, you'll create a dedicated home for your work. Click Spaces, choose Ad Space, and name it Marketing Campaigns. Think of a space as the top-level container for everything your team needs. Keeping marketing in its own space prevents clutter and makes it easy to onboard teammates and standardize your process. Next, organize your initiatives with folders. Create one called Paid Ads and another called Organic Campaigns. Folders help you separate work by type or team, so you can focus on what matters without mixing budgets, timelines, or reporting. This structure also makes it obvious where new work should live as it comes in. Inside each folder, set up lists to manage the life cycle of your campaigns. Create 3 lists: active campaigns for everything currently running, drafts for ideas and assets in preparation, and completed for finished campaigns you might reference later. These lists will give you a clear pipeline and help you spot bottlenecks at a glance. If you don't have ClickUp yet, there's a link at the very top of the description to download the app or open the website and sign in. Use that to get set up quickly on any device. Now, add tasks for each campaign item. Create a task for Facebook ad creatives, another for Google Ads setup, one for Instagram stories, and one for a campaign performance review. Give each task a clear, action-oriented name so anyone can understand what it represents without opening it. To make tracking effortless, add fields like priority, assignee, due date, and status. Priority helps the team know what's urgent. Assigning the task ensures clear ownership. Due date keeps timelines realistic and visible. Status shows exactly where work stands. Set your task statuses to do, in progress, and completed. Keeping statuses simple reduces confusion and makes updates fast. Encourage your team to switch a task to in progress when work begins and to completed once it's done, so your views stay accurate. Finally, monitor progress using List View for detailed sorting and scanning, or Board View to visualize work by status and drag tasks forward as they move. Both views make it easy to see what's active, what's being worked on, and what's finished. Well, boys, that's it. You now have a ClickUp system to track ad campaigns efficiently, helping your marketing team manage tasks, timelines, and performance. Thanks for watching.